When propulsion fails, the mission stops. Every autonomous system in air, water, or space depends on propulsion that performs without compromise. At Welkinrim, reliability is not assumed, it is engineered. Welkinrim began as 4 engineers with a decade in motors and drives, a sector-agnostic design house solving propulsion challenges across industrial, commercial, and defense. Products designed, built, and put into operation across India. Every project earning trust. Every domain sharpening the expertise that would become something bigger. Over time, with persistent effort and a shared engineering mission, we grew into building advanced drone propulsion systems for defense, industrial applications, and mission-critical operations. Today, we engineer reliable propulsion systems built to perform beyond expectation across every scale. At Welkinrim, we design and manufacture a complete indigenous propulsion stack, motors, controllers, and power converters for aerial and underwater applications. Every component engineered to work together as one reliable system, built on a firmware base developed and matured through real-world field feedback since 2018. Every system begins here, on the floor, in the hands of the people who build it. Rotor and stator measured and machined to tolerance. Magnets detected, aligned, and cured. Each rotor balanced until it runs true. Copper wound, turn, by machine and by hand. Brought together, tested, and sealed. Nothing hurried, nothing assumed. Each step given the time it needs, because this is where reliability is quietly built in, long before a motor ever reaches the field. We do not design only for specifications. We design for real operating conditions. A propulsion system is never governed by a single condition. It has to hold its performance in every unexpected one. High thermal loads, long run times, vibration, harsh environments. Every critical step controlled and tested in-house. Every component measured, every result logged. Every motor carries its own proof.